Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to take a look at the new articulating wheel loader, the Waldon 5000, but first I have to get breakfast done and a few chores. Hey guys, so today we got a new machine. It's called a Waldon 5000 articulating loader. Diesel engine, German Dutz. I guess that's how you may call it. I don't know if you can hear the clicking noise, but it is heating up. It's probably 12 degrees out here and snow. The snow helps it get even colder because it sticks to it, you know. So we'll see if it'll start. Give it a good cold start. Let me find the exhaust because a lot of people like to look at the exhaust when it starts. Okay, looks like the exhaust goes down through the bottom, so I won't be able to show that, but you know, I'll try to get a good video of the. Here's a brief overview. I have it parked at my parents' house right now, so I want to take parts off of it. I'm currently building a workshop, so I gotta wait till that's done so people won't steal my stuff. Dana 60 axles. This is all factory made. Has forks in the front. Here's where the battery is. A lot of people say the battery box is gone on theirs. Here's the key. It's kicking over different now. It feels like it wants to start. The throttle thing's aftermarket. Has a little knob you turn to adjust it, and then you can pull it out to the setting or bring it back down to idle. Yeah, it sounds like it's just about to start. And also run out of battery. Let's see which one happens first. Wow. Well, it's an old battery. You can take a look at it. It's an Autocraft. I'm going to go hook a jumper box up to it. And this is actually very, you can see the snow melting on it. It's air-cooled engine. It's a 3-cylinder. I'd say with the size of the engine, it's probably 40 horsepower. It's a pretty good sized engine. 4-wheel drive, everything. So I'm gonna go get a jumper box hooked up so we don't end the battery, and hopefully it starts. All right, so Aaron's gonna do the honors, see if we can get it running. We got a jumper box hooked up. I don't know how much power is in it. It looks pretty low. But Aaron, you wanna go over and turn the key? Yeah. Yeah, just turn it. It's like 10-12 degrees out here, snow and everything. It's been sitting outside. Bad fuel filters, still fired up. Aaron has the magic. He started it right up. We're gonna let it run for probably 3 or 4 minutes to let the hydraulics warm up. The issue with this is the loader arms. The cylinders don't have any power, and they're not really leaking that much. I think it's the valve and the lever, because the hydraulic arm that activates, you know, that turns and tilts this works perfectly fine, but these don't. So I think there's a valve stuck. Otherwise, if the hydraulic pump was bad, both would. But I've even heard it could be the hydraulic pump still, because this needs 2 cylinders and this only has 1 small one. So we'll take it for a drive in a bit. We're gonna let it warm up, So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Alright guys, so I got it warmed up. When it was first running, hydraulics wouldn't even respond. But now they're responding pretty good. See, the arms are actually going up and they barely work at all typically. And I'll show you the condition of the cylinders. Maybe you guys can help me with it. See how they like to go down? But you know, they're not in absolute terrible shape. I've seen a lot worse. And I also need to find a bucket for it. That's how it hooks on. Anyways, to get in it, since it has a small cockpit, I angle it like this so I can get in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in, drive it for a bit, and see how everything works. It's gonna be too difficult to video it, so I'll see if I can get someone else to. If not, this will probably just be the first video of it. Oh, actually, here comes Aaron. Aaron, can you video it? The high and low gear, which is this lever right here, hard to see, it's in between the legs, that's low, and this is high, the middle is neutral, so this is high gear. I'll show you what it does. Hey, sir. Oh. I'm bad. Oh. Not bad. Well, my dog Nova decided to steal everyone's attention. She ran off. So I'll get some more video footage of the machine later on. Videos on specifications, what to do if you're having issues with it, where to find parts. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.